Hello everyone, Sunil here.
Hi, this is Akshay here.
Hi, this is Gaurav here.
Hello, this is Kushal.
Hi, this is Sharanya.
Okay, we'll be providing a basic intro about the Bearcat Food Search, which is our project for the software engineering class. So what we are aiming over here is a basic web app in which we'll be listing out the outlets in the uh, campus of Binghamton University, different food courts, so to say, and in each of the different food courts, we may have many different food outlets, which will have their separate menus. So we are trying to just list that menus so that we can help students find the food that they prefer quickly. So that's the basic idea. Next, like I'm sharing my screen, and I hope all the other members of the group can see it.
Yes, we can.
So, okay, so under the documents section, we mentioned the MVP listing, which I'm trying to open. Okay, so in the MVP listing, we are aiming at to implement the listing of the food courts. Uh, After selecting a particular food court, the related outlet should be shown, and when an outlet is selected, we should be able to see a menu list. Okay, so the USP of the app is we can also rate the menu item. So user can basically rate a menu item, review it, and provide their comments for that menu item. So that's the minimum viable product we are suggesting at this point. Okay, from now on, we'll be discussing the features of the app. So each of the group member have a separate feature. So starting with the food courts, the feature will be first feature is about the food court. So it will be discussed by Sharanya.
Okay, hi. My feature is about the listing of food courts. As you can see on the screen, that there are three scenarios. One where I just list the food courts. The second, I list the food court according to alphabetically, and third according to the distance from a particular place. If a person is standing at Union, so the distance of all the food courts from that place will be listed. So this is the main page where a person can browse for the food courts around him. And from there, the next feature is about the food outlets I already described.
Okay, so the next feature is about listing out the food outlets. So in this feature, once you click the food court, you will find that there are multiple outlets at a given food court. So when a student clicks at a particular food court, he would like to see the outlets that are present at a particular food court. So on selecting the food court, which is listed according to the nearest to the location of the user, so the user can then see the outlets at the selected food court. And on selecting a particular food outlet, the user can then look at the menu, which is redirected to the next page. So Akshay can next describe about the menu page.
Okay, hi, this is Akshay. My feature was about the listing the menu items. So basically, after selecting a food outlet, on clicking a menu link on the food outlet, it should be redirected to the menu listing page. In that, the menu for selected outlet should be shown. Along with the menu items, the listing should show the menu items along with the prices for each of the menu item. And each of the menu item should also display a link to rate that menu item. On clicking that link, it will be redirected to the ratings and reviews page, which was Kushal's feature.
Uh, yes. So my feature is to give reviews and rating to a food outlet. So as a user, if I like food in a particular place, I can provide my reviews and rating for that place according to the food. So I have enlisted four scenarios. The first one is to give ratings to a particular menu item. The second scenario is to give reviews to a particular menu item. And the next two scenarios are to just change the rating and reviews for that particular menu item. So for this reviews and rating, you need to first sign up and then log into the project. So Sunil will explain the sign up and login feature for this project. So Sunil, could you please start?
Hi, Sunil again. So I have got two features, the login and the sign up. As mentioned, if you want to add your reviews or ratings, you need to be first logged in. So this is to prevent anonymous reviews and unauthorized access to the website and posting anything which is irrelevant to the web page. So for any user to give any ratings or reviews, you need to have a login ID or password. So if he doesn't have one, is this the sign up or any?
Yeah, I'll just show the sign up.
So if you have user ID and password, you'll okay. I'll talk about the sign up first. So if you don't have an account on this Bearcat home web page, then this feature is going to help you create one. You basically have to uh, create ID using your name, email, and password, and there are different scenarios for it. So to have a valid ID, you need to have a valid name, a valid email address, and a password which should be minimum of 6 characters. And these are all the different scenarios. Now, can you go to the login page?
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Okay. So having created an account, you can log into the Bearcat food search web page using a valid user ID and password, which is already there in the database. And if everything goes fine, you'll be able to log in into the page and give the ratings and reviews um, for the items. So that's basically it. If you don't have the second scenario is if you don't give the correct credentials, it's going to redirect to the same page to which will basically be asking you to log in again. It's like a try again feature.
Okay.
That's all from my side.
Okay. So here in this video, we basically providing a brief introduction about what the project is, listing out the minimum viable product, and list like each of the member has provided a basic features uh, and explained about the features. So that's all. We would like to stop the video right now. Okay. Thank you, guys.
Thank you, everyone.
Okay. Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye.